Let's make easy golden French toast in about 10 minutes. For 2 servings, you'll need 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a small pinch of salt, 4 thick slices of bread, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Crack the eggs into a shallow bowl. Add the milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and salt, then whisk until completely combined. Melt the butter in a nonstick pan over medium heat. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, coating both sides without soaking it for too long. Place the bread in the hot pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Flip each slice and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Serve immediately with maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. That's it. Warm, crispy, and fluffy French toast, ready in just 10 minutes. Enjoy!